Terry Lynn, Traveling Artista. I have a quick tip for watercolorists. Here we go. Here I want to fill up my palette a little bit more so I'm ready to use it the next time I paint. And sometimes an old tube will get stuck. The cap will get stuck. I always have a pair of pliers in my kit with my paints, so if I need to, I can open a tube. So very carefully, you don't want to hold down here because that will put pressure and push the paint out of the tube. Hold it at the shoulder of the tube and gently loosen and unscrew the cap. Set it down. Then I can squeeze out the paint as I need it. Generously. The paint's not doing us any good in the tube. I will scrape it. This is in my way. Scrape it on the edge to clean it off. Make sure then, if there's any paint on the rim here, that will act like a glue when it goes into the cap. So I dampen a paper towel. I gently, again holding by the shoulder here, clean off that lip. Yep, sorry, gonna lose a little paint, but not much. And then screw this back on. Make sure the threads are working well, and then it's clean so this will not become glued to the tube. Another little consideration during this, I've already started with this one, it's pretty covered with paint there. Squeeze that out, get it on there. Now I need to clean this a little better. I want to clean the threads. Be careful not to get the paint on your fingers. Clean the threads thoroughly, nicely. There. And if you happen to have some paint up at the end of the tube here, you can grab the tube at the shoulders or a little below the shoulders and give it a gentle squeeze, and you'll watch the paint recede a little bit into that tube. It pulls it away from the mouth of the tube and helps to keep it cleaner and easier to open for your next painting job. Quick tip. Thanks so much. Terry Lynn, the Traveling Artista.